Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm finally back after a well-deserved vacation. And I had the Eclipse, as you can see, for a whole month covered. And yeah, now I'm gonna uncover it, check it out, see what's going on, and it's gonna be probably going for a wash. Anyway, before I do that, I wanna talk a little bit about what's going on with the channel, what is going on with this Eclipse, and what are the future what is the future content for this channel right now. So first thing first, the orange Eclipse, it's being rebuilt same as this one, except I am going to just do a regular normal rebuild real quick. I'm gonna paint it just outside in the engine bay. I'm not gonna spend not much time on the special, fixing here and there things. Just a quick paint job, and the engine is being already prepared. I already honed it, already installed the balance shaft bearings and all that, got the piston rings ready, and all that is ready. So that's been worked. That's perfect for this winter. Winter is coming, so winter job is gonna be on this engine actually, and the transmission. Anyway, on this Eclipse, I still have few smaller things, a little bit interior, a little bit exterior, and mostly she's done. I do have a couple of carbon fiber parts that I'm gonna be making for this car, and that's pretty much what's gonna happen for this Eclipse. What else? I still have plans for getting into different cars other than the Eclipse, so you have to stay tuned for that. That's gonna happen pretty soon as well. I have something on my mind, and I'm on the lookout for that car. And yeah, just like I said, just a quick what's gonna happen on the channel and all that. A couple of review videos on the tools and all that. I will be doing a little bit more shorts. If you like those short movies, short videos, just the minute ones, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and check those as well. Those are just a sweet short videos that are, that I upload, and they're, just something to kill some time. Anyway, let's uncover it and see what is going on. Like I said, she's just been sitting. Nothing major happened to this car. I did put this bubble insulation thing on it, because right here we get some hail, so I didn't want no hail damage. I didn't want to put it inside garage because there's a big mess in there right now because all the engines and all the transmissions, and I didn't want to move all that. Anyway, there she is in her glory. So yep, she's uncovered, and so far she's just a little bit dirty. I tried starting it, and it looks like battery is out. I forgot to unplug it and put it in. I mean, I was lazy, to be honest. Anyway, that's a pretty much it for now. Just a quick little update. What's going on and what happened in last a month? Pretty much nothing. The car was just sitting. I was on hold. I was on vacation, and yeah, I'm back now, and everything's ready for the winter. And that's where the engine rebuild and the transmission rebuild starts. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Like I said, another car is coming. It's not gonna be Eclipse, and yeah, I really once again appreciate you guys subscribing and checking out the channel. I really appreciate all the support, and I will probably be doing a giveaway for the 1,000 subscribers. I'll be making some shirts, and I'll be doing some giveaway for that as well. Anyway, stay tuned, like I said, for the next and future videos. Of course, stay safe out there, guys, and make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Laters.